Greetings and welcome. I'm Karen Barron with Creative Now TV with your creative tip of the day. Finish unfinished projects. How many projects have you started and never finished? Lots. Some due to the lack of spare time, materials, or funds. Then you just lost interest. Since you started it, it might be worth finishing it. Check your cabinets, shelves, drawers, closet, storage bin, and computer. Then pull out that unfinished project and finish it. It might even make a great gift or a good way to earn extra money. Thanks for listening. I'm Karen Barron with CreativeNowTV.com. Remember, create and be safe.